Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, your host and host, your brother from another mother. Welcome to our show, Affiliate Uncle on Fire. Yes, you have heard that right. I'm your Affiliate Uncle, Pankaj Singh. And I once again welcome you to my show, Affiliate Uncle on Fire. So today in this episode, I'm gonna talk about how to do affiliate marketing without a website. So if you are looking for how to do affiliate marketing without website, then watch this episode till the end. Right? But before telling you this, I just want to say that, as you know, I have my own ebook that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. And in that ebook, I have revealed everything that you need to know to build a solid affiliate marketing business step by step. And this book is available on Amazon. So if you want to get this book, you have to pay for that. But here I have a deal for you. If you want to get this book for free, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe to my show. And once you do that, send me an email to my email address, that is pankja.singh@gmail.com, with the subject Affiliate Commission Secrets. And when I get your email, I will give you free access to read this book. Fair deal? Now, without any delay, let me show you how to do affiliate marketing without website. First, let me take you to the paint, and where I will draw the sketches, and through the sketches I will make you understand that how to do affiliate marketing without website. And thereafter I will show you the live example that what you can do to do affiliate marketing without website. Got it? Now, when you do affiliate marketing, or when you are going to start affiliate marketing, then very first thing that you have to do is you have to pick your niche. As in my case, my niche is affiliate marketing, where people are looking for how to make money online doing affiliate marketing. So this is my niche. Make money online doing affiliate marketing, right? So this is my niche. And whenever you are going to pick your niche, always look for that where there is passion, where there is interest, and yes, there must be demand in the market and there must be money in the market. Now you tell me, if you pick a niche where there is no money, where there is no demand, then what's the benefit of doing that affiliate marketing? Why we are doing affiliate marketing? Because we want to make money doing affiliate marketing, right? So that's why it's very, very important. Always pick a niche where there is demand and there is money too. Got it? Now, so pick your niche. And let me just type it, niche. And then in your niche, pick a problem that you want to solve in the market. Then pick the problem. So as I already told you, my niche is affiliate marketing, and the problem that I want to solve is that you might have noticed that there are people, those who are looking for how to make money online doing affiliate marketing, and they search this term on the Google or as well as in the YouTube by typing it. So I want to solve this problem where people are looking for how to make money online doing affiliate marketing. So this is the exact problem that I want to solve in the market, because when I started affiliate marketing, this is the same thing that I was doing. I was looking for how to make money online doing affiliate marketing, right? And later on, I solved this problem. So same problem I want to solve in the market for the people, or for my ideal prospect or ideal customer. Then, so first you have pick your niche, then pick the problem that you want to solve in the market. And then what you do, you apply for the affiliate program that you want to promote. So let's assume this is the company and they have product through which you are going to solve the problem of your ideal prospect. So here you have to apply by filling up your information, and once you are approved, they will give you affiliate link. Let's assume this is your affiliate link. Right? So this is your affiliate link. Then what you do, you take this affiliate link and you go to Bitly. Bitly is a software through which you can sort your long looking and ugly looking affiliate link. So you go to Bitly and you make this link short using this Bitly software. Actually, it is a free software that you can use. And with the help of Bitly, you can make your affiliate link short, and this will be your final link. And that link you can have on your social media profile, like you can use this link on your Facebook, or you can have this link on your Instagram, IG, right? So in the bio section, you can have in the bio of your IG, you can have this short link, right? So this short link, you can have in your bio section of your Facebook profile or in the bio section of your Instagram profile. And let's assume you are going with Facebook. Facebook is your one of the platform through which you are going to promote your affiliate offer. Now, on your Facebook profile, what you do? You start publishing valuable content on daily basis. So it can be through reels, through stories, through written content, through video, through Facebook Live. So it's up to you. So in your written content, let's assume you are going with written content. So you have call to action. You say that, hey, by the way, if you want more information about affiliate marketing, then go and check out the link in my bio. So this is your, let's assume this is your affiliate link, short affiliate link, right? And same thing you do with, like, let's assume this is your video. This is your video. Yeah, this is your video. So in your video, you say that, hey, by the way, if you want more information, go and check out the link in my bio. Or same thing, you can say that, hey, by the way, if you want more information, send me the message in my messenger. So they will come and they will send the message in your messenger. And in your messenger, by knowing that what they are struggling with, what they have done, what is their dream and goals, and based on their problems, you can offer your affiliate product as solution. So there you can promote your affiliate link in the messenger, right? So in that case, if someone click on this affiliate link and they will go to your sales page or the affiliate offer that you are promoting, sales page. And if they decide that, yes, this is the great product and through which they are going to solve their problem, if they decide to buy, you will make commission. You will make money, right? So this is the process of doing affiliate marketing without any website. You simply send people to the sales page of the product owner, right? And here, one thing that I just want you to understand, when you directly send people to your sales page of the affiliate offer, then here, let's assume this is the person, right? He visits the sales page of your affiliate offer. And if he or she decides that, no, this is not the right product, and he goes away thinking that, no, this is not the right product, let's find something else. Now, in that case, do you have any information of this person so that you can connect with this person in future? If not, then what you need to do, you need to have a website. So we will talk about this, what you can do here to get the information of this person. So we will talk about this in our next episode. what's the right way to do affiliate marketing. But if you're looking for how to do affiliate marketing without website, then this is the way that you can do affiliate marketing, right? Now, let me show you live example what you can do. Simply, as you can see that I have created my account with Digistore24. It is one of the platform where you can find so many products in different niches, and you can promote their offer as an affiliate marketer. So here it's a free platform to join. So you can join Digistore24, and once you are approved, then simply come to marketplace, and here you can select the product that you want to promote. So let's zoom. So here I'm gonna pick the category. So my category is internet marketing and e-business. And from here, and just one more thing I have to do here, I have to select the language. So I want to pick English language. Now that's fine. So let's assume I'm gonna promote, okay, yes, let's assume I'm gonna promote this product, right? By the way, if I want to check, then I can check the sales page of this product. So here, what we have to do to get the affiliate link, can you see that promote now? So click here, and now I can copy this link. You can see that this link has my username, Pankaj Singh 12, right? Confirm. Copy, and then I will go to bit.ly, create new link, and paste your affiliate link here. And then you can see that this is my affiliate link. And now here I can give it a name with the name of the product that I'm promoting. So product name is Blueprint 10K. So I can say something like this, 10K Blueprint 12. Yeah. And now let's see whether it is available. Yeah, it is available. Create. And now, yeah, successfully created and copied to clipboard. Sorry. Yeah. So now this is my final link that I want to promote. Final link. Now I'm not going to promote this one. Now, so what I will do, I will copy, and then I will go to my Facebook profile. Yeah. So here what I will do, I will optimize my Facebook profile considering my niche. So as my niche is affiliate marketing, so you can see that I have optimized my Facebook profile. So yes, then what you have to do, you have to put your affiliate link in the intro section, and thereafter what you have to do, you have to start posting valuable content. As in my case, what I'm doing, I'm posting reels. You can see that, right? So through the reels, what I'm doing, I'm saying that, hey, if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, then go and check out the link in my bio, right? So that's the way to do affiliate marketing. So be consistent in providing valuable content on your Facebook profile. Slowly you will see that people are knowing you, they are having trust on you, and when trust is built, then everything will be easy. People will approach to you and they will ask for your affiliate link. Why? Because you are providing value in the market, and as you know that you are paid for the value that you provide in the market. So here, if someone comes and click on this affiliate link, then he will be redirected to my affiliate offer. If he or she decides to buy the product that I am promoting, I will make commission, right? So this is affiliate marketing. So now you can see that. So this is the product that I am promoting. By the way, if you want to join this program, then down below I have put the link. You can go and check out, right? So that's how you do affiliate marketing without any website, right? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.